Are you ready to take your Facebook advertising to new heights and skyrocket your business growth? In this video, I will reveal insider secrets and expert tips to help you create a powerful Facebook advertising campaign that converts like crazy. Don't miss out on this exclusive guide. Tune in now. Welcome to FrequencyClick, the channel where we help you unlock the power of digital marketing. Today, I am going to take your Facebook advertising to the next level with a complete guide that will cover everything you need to know about advertising on Facebook. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, you'll learn how to optimize your ads and reach your target audience effectively. So, before starting, if it's not already done, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. Number 1. Facebook advertising basics. To start, let's cover the basics of Facebook advertising. Facebook ads are an effective way to reach your target audience, increase brand awareness, and drive conversions. There are three main types of Facebook ads: image ads, video ads, and carousel ads. You can also create ads for different placements such as Facebook newsfeed, Instagram, and audience network. Number 2. Understanding your target audience. The success of your Facebook ads relies heavily on understanding your target audience. Facebook provides you with several options for targeting your audience, such as demographics, interests, behaviors, and location. You can also use Facebook Pixel to retarget people who have visited your website, and lookalike audiences to target users who share similar interests and behaviors as your existing customers. Number 3. Creating your ad campaign. Now that you know your target audience, it's time to create your ad campaign. Start by setting your campaign objective, which could be brand awareness, lead generation, or conversion. Then choose your target audience and ad placement. Next, create your ad copy and select your ad format. You can use Facebook's ad creation tool to create your ad, or use third-party tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create high-quality ad visuals. One moment please. Let's spread the knowledge and help others too. If you are finding this content helpful, give it a like and share it with those who can benefit. Don't hesitate to drop your valuable tips, suggestions, or inquiries in the comments section below. I'm eager to hear from you. Number 4. Optimizing your ad performance. Once your ad campaign is up and running, it's important to monitor its performance and optimize it for better results. Facebook provides you with a wealth of data and metrics to track your ad performance, such as reach, impressions, click-through rate, and conversion rate. Use these data to adjust your ad targeting, bidding strategy, and ad format to improve your results. Number 5. Advanced tips and strategies. Finally, let's cover some advanced tips and strategies for advertising on Facebook. First, always test your ad to see which ad creating and targeting strategy works best for your audience. Second, use Facebook retargeting features to reach users who have previously interacted with your brand. Third, use Facebook's lookalike audience feature to target users who share similar interests and behaviors as your existing customers. Finally, use custom audiences to target users who have interacted with your brand in specific ways, such as visiting your website or signing up for your newsletter. That's it for today's video on Facebook advertising. By following these tips and strategies, you'll be able to take your Facebook advertising to the next level and reach your target audience effectively. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to FrequencyClick for more digital marketing tips and tricks.